All right, checking the power supply to the alternator. It should be there all the time, and we got that. All right, so after I determined I had constant power, I made me a little load test rig. That shows to be just fine, the supply wire. All right, the center wire on the alternator plug to pin 53 PCM. It shows continuity, but we're gonna load test it too. To load test that center wire, I just ran a ground right into the plug, and then I tested it over here where it comes to the PCU. Lights the light just fine. So the outside pin to pin 14 on the ECU. There it is. That's the open circuit.